Hey everybody, it's Gary the Google Guy here with a subtle update to your Google Calendar. Most people probably won't recognize it. As me personally, I stumbled across it because when I create events and such as either a task or appointment slots or things of that nature, I am typically clicking on my calendar on the date and the time that I want. And then underneath the title box, we'll see the option for the event, which it defaults to: focus time, out of office, task, and appointment slots. Well, the new update is if you look at your create button in the upper left, you'll see a little pull down arrow now. When you click on that little pull down arrow, you'll see those same options here, so you don't have to click somewhere in order to create those. Just as an FYI though, if you create any of these, whatever it may be, focus time, out of office, the task, when you click on that, it will default to the closest half hour on the current day that you're on to create that default date and time. So you may need to tweak those. Like I said, me personally, when I'm creating things, I typically just go right to the date and time that I want and click and create from there. But I did want to point out that now you have that Android or iOS type of plus symbol that you're used to seeing, and now have that pull down menu here in the web view. Until we meet again, another day, another time, another update. This is Gary the Google Guy, signing off.